Our world is increasingly interconnected. The digital age has revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with each other. From bustling cities to remote villages, technology has woven a web that connects us all. We rely on technology for everything from communication to banking. Our smartphones, laptops, and other digital devices have become indispensable tools in our daily lives. They help us stay in touch with loved ones, manage our finances, and even work remotely. This reliance brings convenience, but also risks. As we embrace the benefits of digital technology, we must also be aware of the potential dangers lurking in the shadows. Cyber threats are ever-present, and they can strike when we least expect it. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated. Hackers are constantly evolving their tactics, finding new ways to infiltrate systems and steal sensitive information. They exploit vulnerabilities in software, hardware, and even human behavior. They threaten our data, privacy, and critical infrastructure. A successful cyber attack can have devastating consequences, from personal identity theft to the disruption of essential services like power and healthcare. Cybersecurity is the shield that protects us in this digital age. It involves a range of practices and technologies designed to defend against cyber threats and ensure the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of our digital assets. It encompasses the practices and technologies that safeguard our digital assets. From firewalls and encryption to multi-factor authentication and regular software updates, cybersecurity measures are essential in keeping our information safe. Cybersecurity is no longer a concern solely for tech companies or governments. It affects everyone. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or a retiree, protecting your digital life is crucial. Cybersecurity is not just about preventing attacks, it's about building resilience. This means preparing for potential incidents, knowing how to respond effectively, and ensuring that systems can recover quickly. It ensures that we can recover quickly from incidents. Having robust backup systems and recovery plans in place can make all the difference in minimizing the impact of a cyber attack. It helps us maintain trust in the digital systems we rely on. By prioritizing cybersecurity, we can continue to enjoy the benefits of the digital age while mitigating its threats. By 2025, the cybersecurity landscape will be even more complex. The rapid pace of technological advancements means that new vulnerabilities are constantly emerging. As we integrate more technology into our daily lives, the potential for cyber threats increases exponentially. The Internet of Things, or IoT, will connect billions of devices. From smart home systems to connected cars and wearable tech, our world is becoming more interconnected than ever before. Each of these devices, while offering convenience and efficiency, also presents a potential entry point for cybercriminals. This connectivity expands the attack surface for cybercriminals. With more devices online, the number of potential targets increases, making it easier for malicious actors to find and exploit vulnerabilities. The consequences of such breaches can be devastating, affecting everything from personal privacy to national security. Artificial intelligence will play a dual role. On one hand, AI can be used to enhance cybersecurity measures, providing advanced threat detection and response capabilities. On the other hand, cybercriminals can also leverage AI to develop more sophisticated and harder-to-detect attacks. It will power both sophisticated attacks and advanced defenses. The ongoing battle between attackers and defenders will become increasingly complex, with AI tools being used on both sides to outmaneuver each other. Staying ahead in this race will require continuous innovation and vigilance. Quantum computing poses a future threat. While still in its early stages, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize many fields, including cybersecurity. However, it also brings the risk of rendering current encryption methods obsolete, potentially exposing sensitive data to new forms of attack. It has the potential to break current encryption algorithms. This means that data we consider secure today could be vulnerable in the near future. The race is on to develop quantum-resistant encryption methods to safeguard our information against this emerging threat. This could compromise sensitive data protected for years to come. The implications of such breaches are far-reaching, affecting everything from personal privacy to the integrity of financial systems and national security. Staying ahead of these evolving threats is crucial. Organizations must invest in robust cybersecurity measures and stay informed about the latest developments in the field. Collaboration between industry, government, and academia will be key to developing effective strategies to combat these threats. Individuals need to be proactive about their online security. Simple steps like updating security settings, using two-factor authentication, and being cautious about the information shared online can go a long way in protecting personal data. This includes using strong passwords and being wary of phishing scams. Cybercriminals often use social engineering tactics to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. Being aware of these tactics and staying vigilant can help prevent such attacks. Businesses must prioritize cybersecurity investments to protect their operations and customer data. In an increasingly digital world, the cost of a data breach can be enormous, both in terms of financial loss and damage to reputation. Proactive measures and a strong cybersecurity strategy are essential for long-term success. Starting a career in cybersecurity can feel daunting. The sheer volume of information and the rapid pace of technological advancements can be overwhelming. However, it's important to remember that every expert was once a beginner. The key is to take it one step at a time and build a solid foundation. You don't need to be a coding whiz from day one. Many successful cybersecurity professionals started with little to no coding experience. The important thing is to be curious and willing to learn. Start with the basics and gradually build your skills. Begin with building a strong foundation. This means understanding the core principles of cybersecurity, such as confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These principles will guide you in making informed decisions and developing effective security strategies. A basic understanding of computer networks is essential. Knowing how devices communicate and how data flows through a network will help you identify potential vulnerabilities and secure your systems effectively. This includes knowing how data is transmitted and the different types of networks. Familiarize yourself with concepts like IP addresses, subnets, and protocols. This knowledge will be invaluable as you progress in your career. Familiarity with operating systems is crucial. Each operating system has its own set of security features and vulnerabilities. Understanding these will help you protect your systems more effectively. Learn about popular operating systems like Windows and Linux. These are widely used in the industry, and having a good grasp of them will give you a competitive edge. Understanding their security features is important. This includes knowing how to configure firewalls, manage user permissions, and apply security patches. These skills are fundamental to maintaining a secure environment. Basic coding skills are becoming increasingly valuable. While you don't need to be a programming expert, knowing how to write and understand code can help you automate tasks and analyze security threats more effectively. Don't be afraid to start with simple scripting languages like Python. Develop your problem-solving abilities. These skills will not only make you more efficient, but also more adaptable to new challenges. Cybersecurity professionals often need to think critically and find creative solutions. The ability to analyze complex problems and come up with innovative solutions is highly valued in this field. Resourcefulness is key in this field. Being able to use the tools at your disposal and improvise when necessary can make a significant difference in your effectiveness as a cybersecurity professional. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to success. As you progress, delve deeper into technical skills. Network security is a fundamental area. Learn about firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and VPNs. These tools protect networks from unauthorized access. Cryptography is another crucial domain. Understand how encryption algorithms work to secure data. Ethical hacking is a valuable skill. Learn how to think like a hacker to identify vulnerabilities before malicious actors do. Cloud security is paramount as more organizations migrate to cloud platforms. Familiarize yourself with cloud security concepts and best practices. Section 5. The power of certifications. Validating your expertise. Certifications demonstrate your knowledge and skills to potential employers. They validate your expertise in specific cybersecurity domains. For beginners, the CompTIA Security Plus certification is an excellent starting point. It covers core cybersecurity concepts and is vendor neutral. As you gain experience, consider more specialized certifications. The Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH certification, is globally recognized. It focuses on ethical hacking methodologies. The The Certified Information Systems Security Professional, or CSSP, is a highly regarded certification for experienced professionals. It covers a wide range of cybersecurity domains. Section 6. Real-world applications, where cybersecurity shines. Cybersecurity plays a crucial role in various sectors. In finance, it protects sensitive financial data from breaches. Imagine a world without cybersecurity and online banking. Your financial information could be vulnerable to hackers. Healthcare relies heavily on cybersecurity to safeguard patient data and ensure the integrity of medical devices. In critical infrastructure, cybersecurity protects power grids, transportation systems, and other essential services. Cybersecurity professionals work to prevent disruptions that could have far-reaching consequences. From protecting national security to safeguarding personal information, cybersecurity is essential for a secure and functioning society. Section 7. Career paths. Exploring the diverse opportunities. The cybersecurity field offers a wide range of career paths. Security analysts monitor systems for threats and respond to incidents. Penetration testers proactively attempt to breach systems to identify vulnerabilities. Security engineers design, implement, and maintain security solutions. Cryptographers develop and improve encryption algorithms to secure data. Security awareness trainers educate employees about cybersecurity best practices. The demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals continues to grow, offering excellent job security and competitive salaries. Section 8. Continuing education, staying ahead of the curve. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field. Continuous learning is essential to stay ahead of the curve. Attend industry conferences and webinars to stay updated on the latest threats and technologies. Pursue advanced certifications to deepen your expertise in specialized areas. Engage with the cybersecurity community online and offline. Share knowledge and learn from the experiences of others. Embrace a mindset of lifelong learning to thrive in this dynamic field. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing a secure digital future. Cybersecurity is not just about technology. It's about people, processes, and awareness. As our reliance on technology grows, so too does the importance of cybersecurity. By understanding the basics, developing essential skills, and staying informed, you can contribute to a safer digital world. Whether you choose to pursue a career in cybersecurity or simply want to be a more informed digital citizen, embracing cybersecurity is crucial in our increasingly interconnected world. It's time to act now and be part of the solution.